basically in VS Code, prefer on Linux because I don't know how to get it working on Windows. Look up TerosHDL, and then if you scroll down to that, and then get started, installation checklist, prerequisites. Let's go through this crap. VS Code, Python 3, then these Python packages which we will need to install, and I'll probably need to make a Python environment because Ubuntu makes you do that now. So let's try this again. Bish bash bosh. Womp womp. Okay, so Python 3 venv. I'm gonna do this here and call it Python env. And then activate go here, Python env, bin activate here. Right, we're in our env now, so clean that shite, close this shite, install this shite. Okay, let's try and see. Click that there, sir, and then open that, sir, and then hope for the best, sir. Oh, this may take a while. It's trying to run. Oh, yeah, there we go. It works. Cool beans. So this is basically how you can use TerosHDL to like auto generate these sorts of schematics. Cool. That's how you do that one. Basically, just go and install a couple of Python packages, and it works. And TerosHDL.